At ang last performer for tonight belongs to Martin's team.
Yes, thank you, KC. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats. Fasten your seatbelts. And get ready for the ride of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenabon. The X factor that you possess is on a higher ground.
Dati nung wala pa ako sa X Factor, sumakay ako ng jeep, tutulak ako ng konduktor nang dumating sa akin ng X Factor. Sabi ng isang pasahero, "Uy pare, huwag ka na magtiti, ako na sa'yo. X Factor yan, X Factor!"
Dahil sa happy spirit niya, hindi mukhang seryoso. They're talking about him, that's all good.
He's like a wild stallion. Kung tama ang pagka-train sa kanya, he can be trained to be a champion. That's a process that Martin will have to work with.
Nang narinig ko yung pag-areglo ni Maestro Homer Flores, pagkanta ko nun, iba, parang ang puso ko, stand-up ovation, goosebumps.
Homer Flores is a miracle worker, so Kedibon is in great hands.
Sa mga taong hindi nila nakikita yung kagalingan ko, maraming salamat din. I respect you so much, very well. Sana, Daddy, masiyahan ka sa pagkanta ko.
Kedibon Hoyer!
Say hi! Say of school na rin ka ba? Sino ba naman ang umagsa? Sana may cute na katabi. May balugan, di ka naman kasi. Hanapin ang ako. Tumakay sa saya! Sunod say hi! Nasaan sa pinakaunang araw ng eskwela? Taas na may confidence. Sunod say hi! Kumakaos na lino sa breaking high. Kumayaman si Papa. Sasiyan, kapayaman sa morning. Tutugan na sino. Pagsulit na may to the night sky high. Iba ka sa kamay to the first day high. Iwalas na huwag ka na mahiya. Kumaway mo sa ibutang ngiti. Sigurado sa iyo na may bapate. Hi! Uy, hello! Last na mo! Harap ang eskwela. May konfidensya. Say hi! Kuwala mo sa baba. Nagkasihan. Kapalitan ng motor. Nagkasihan. Pumunta. Sino sa rebahan. Pagsulit na rin. Nice day. Iba ang pagkabahan. To the first day. First day. Hey, 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 hey. First day. Nasasabihin sa unang araw ng eskwela. Taas na may confidence. Sulat ka say hi. Iman-iman. Mata ang sundo sa iyo. Kung gusto mo sumama, welcome to the first day hi. My name is Bond. KD Bond.
Tinitignan mo ba ako, Kedibon? Naku, Kedibon, bagay na bagay talaga yung mga ginagawa mo dyan. Para kang talagang grade 6. Ano na ngayon nandito ka na sa Maynila? Ilan ang babae na nahalikan mo? Dati kasi ako lang, at saka yung nanay mo. Ngayon, ang daming babae dun sa likod mo.
Iniipon ko pa lang.
Ha?
Iniipon ko pa lang.
Ay, iniipon mo lang? O sige, ipunin mo na. Okay, thank you.
Alam mo, Kedibon, siguro alam mo na ngayon na ikaw siguro sa lahat ng mga contestants ang pinaka-controversial. Meron din ako mga nabasa na talagang Kedibon. Yung mga iba, bakit si Kedibon? Ngayon, sa performance mo, parang pinakita mo sa kanila, ito yung dahilan kung ba't nandito ako ngayon. Kedibon, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung edad mo ngayon, pero when I was your age, hingal na ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Tingnan mo sarili mo. Higit ka pa sa pure energy eh. Talagang you just keep going on and on and on.
It's been a great honor.
Thank you.
Sa wakas, tamang English. Tamang English.
Wow!
Nakaka-goosebumps.
Nagkaroon akong goosebumps eh. Alam mo, hindi, nakikita ko siya lagi tumatalon-talon, dyan naglalakad sa hallway. Sabi ko, ano ba itong bata to? Tapos ngayon nakita ko stage, energy pa rin. Alam mo, iniisip ko, ano bang kaya kakantahin niya? Kasi parang hindi ako sure. And then kinanta mo to, hindi ko na-expect to. Genius, by the way. That was awesome.
Kede Bon!
Hey, Daddy.
Hello, son. The story will be in another TV show. Anyway, Kede Bon, I'm so proud of you. Ang galing talaga yung performance mo kanina. I know na hirapan ka sa rehearsals. Pinabago-bago namin yung choreography. But you did a great job. Ang ginawa ni Kede Bon na hindi ginagawa ng ibang singers, na isang production number in 2 minutes and a few seconds. That is Kede Bon. Sana may mga maraming believers ka ngayon. Congratulations.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad. Thank you, Kede Bon. Kede Bon, saan ba nanggagaling ang energy mo? Ha? Dito ba? Saan nanggagaling ang energy mo kanina?
Hey, Sir Gary, the Mr. Pure Energy.
Wow!
Magagalit si daddy mo, huy.
Oo, sabi naman ni Mr. Gary V na you deserve to be here sa X Factor. Anong masasabi mo sa comments ng judges? At ikaw ang finale, ha? Si Kede Bon ang finale ng X Factor first live show.
I wasn't expecting for the very first time. Grabe, it's been an honor again.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kede Bon!
Salamat po talaga.
Para iboto si Kede Bon, it's XF space KED. Salamat, Kede Bon. Okay? At ngayon, mga kapamilya, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat dahil nakapag-perform na ang ating 12 finalists. Okay, do you guess what's gonna happen next, mga kapamilya? Voting lines are now open! Just type XF space name of your favorite contestant and send to 2331 for Globe, TM, and Sun Cellular or 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. At pwede din kayong bumoto online by using ABS-CBN vote cards. Just go to xfactor.abs-cbn.com for more details. And for Etisalat subscribers in UAE, just text XF space name of contestant and send to 4200. Kaya mga kapamilya, bumoto na kayo, okay? For Martin and his boys! For Gabriel, it's Gab, G-A-B, Gab. Kay Jeric, it's Jeric, J-E-R-I-C, Jeric. And for Kede Bon, it's K-E-D, Ked. For Gary and his group. For Take Up, it's Take, T-A-K-E, Take. So Daddy's Home, it's Dad, D-A-D. For A-K-A Jam, it's Jam, J-A-M. For Charisse and the girls naman. For Alan, it's Alan, A-L-L-E-N. For KZ, it's K-Z, as in Z. Para naman kay Jerian, it's Jer, J-E-R. And for Miss Felita and her over 25, para kay Modesto, it's Mod, M-O-D. Para kay Joanne, it's J-O-A-N, Joanne. And for Mark, it's Mark, M-A-R-K. So XF space, name of your favorite contestant. The numbers are flashed on your screens at maaari kayong bumoto hanggang bukas ng gabi until we announce the closing of the voting line during the results show. At para matulungan kayo mga kapamilya na mag-decide kung sino ang dapat iboto ngayon hanggang bukas ng gabi, balikan natin ang mga naging performances tonight.
Take Cup. Alan Santamaria.
Whatever's meant to be will work out perfectly.
Gabriel Maturan.
Just like the clouds fly, I feel the same. You walk away. Every day is rain, rain, rain. Hey,
Modesto Tala. Daddy's home. KZ Pandigan.
I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I got to let it go. Just enjoy the show.
Jerick Medina. Mark Mabasa.
There is so much a man can tell, so much he can say. You became my power, my pleasure, my
Joanda.
in darkness, means all I see. Come arrested, driving slow on Sunday morning. It's raining, but the rain is falling now. So you want it to be right.
Sherry Ann Denflo. Kennebon Collins.
My name is Bond. KD Bond.
Okay mga kapamilya, do not miss tomorrow's results show dahil performing live here on the X Factor stage is Sam Milby. At bukas mga kapamilya, tanggalan na ang Final 12 magiging 11 na lang. Find out tomorrow only here on the biggest musical event of the year, the X Factor Philippines!